Hey there. Did you know that only 9% of American households have saved $500,000 or more for retirement? That's right. Less than 1 in 10 people have reached this milestone. It's a sobering statistic, especially when the common retirement savings goal is $1 million. The truth is, many people are struggling to build up substantial nest eggs. In fact, the survey found that only 26% of households have saved $100,000 or more. Now, $500,000 may sound like a lot, but would it really provide a comfortable retirement? Experts say it's unlikely to maintain your pre-retirement lifestyle for most people, even when combined with Social Security benefits. The moral of the story? Saving for retirement takes time, discipline, and a solid plan. Every dollar counts, so start contributing regularly to your retirement accounts and take advantage of any employer matches. And if you've already hit that $500,000 mark, congratulations. But don't rest on your laurels. Keep saving and investing wisely to ensure a secure financial future. The bottom line is, retirement planning isn't easy, but it's so important. Stay focused, be proactive, and you'll be on your way to the retirement you deserve. Let me know your thoughts in the comments.